the kind of license that you're getting, right? But if you're talking about a robot license, right, a license to use either an attended or an unattended, and actually there's a hybrid robot as well available in the UiPath product suite. But once you get that license, basically what you're talking about is a measure of capacity. So ultimately what you need to do before you decide on what licenses to get or how many robots you need in your environment, you need to understand what your overarching objective is. What is it that the output is supposed to achieve? What is that process supposed to wind up doing at the end? Because ultimately that's what you're feeding into your robot to ultimately perform. The only way you can truly assess the amount of capacity that you need on a robot is to really understand the design behind the configurations of creating that robot. So before you even get started on how many licenses, do I need 5 bots, 10 bots? It's important to come up with what the vision is, what the processes are that you're going to automate so that you can reverse engineer and get the right capacity for your organization.